What's up, everybody? Welcome back to R3 TV. And today is a new day, and it's quarantine month because your boy is looking raw. But it ain't about that. Let me show you what it's about. So I got my blanket laid out because we're about to take this bad boy apart here. So I got my little fittings that I was waiting for. So I can run my filter, something like this down here. Got the one for this side for the return. So now the engine is ready to come off the stand. Well, not off the stand, but I'm gonna take the head off, I'm gonna take the manifold off. Gotta flip some stuff around. And I'm gonna assemble this block this weekend. I'm gonna get it done. Oh yeah, this is for my steering wheel because can't drive like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this off the engine stand. Well, the head off the engine stand, so I can put the bearings in, torque everything down. That's all we need. We ready. I'm gonna get to it. All right, so I got everything laid out. I got all my bolts here. I got my intake manifolds, the clutch flywheel, everything for the head, the cams, valve cover, water neck. So I'm by myself, so I gotta get that heavy sleeved block with a crank in it back on the engine stand. So this will be an episode of let's do something I probably shouldn't do, but I'm gonna set this camera down and we're gonna do it anyway, and I'm gonna record it just in case I don't make it. I don't know how much this block weighs. I tell you, it's pretty dang heavy. I tell you that much. But we gotta do it. Remember, people, bend with your knees, not with your back. It's like a deadlift. Yeah, baby. These suckers is heavy. Oh, go. Yeah. And we're done. Well, before I get all the way started, I gotta run to AutoZone real quick. I need to get the correct size bolt for my rods. This is like a 12-point bolt, so I'm gonna make sure I get the right one so I don't strip it. I'm just gonna take it with me. And I need some brake cleaner so I can make sure all this is cleaned out down here before I assemble everything. And yeah, so I'm gonna take the Audi today, the weekend cruiser. Oh man, it's hot. Oh, love that sound. All right, let's go. You gotta hold the motor. Yeah. 54. All right. Yeah, I'm about to get new wheels anyway.
Must be nice. That's the tire that keeps leaking.
All right, we got the.
That's already down.
Yeah, it's already down. We got the crank torque down. Now we're just doing the rod bolts. 28 pounds. And the bottom end will pretty much be done. P&R bills, bro. Pasquale. Roosevelt.
P&R bills, bro. Puerto Rico?
It's definitely gonna blow up now, bro.
For sure. Mexican? Oh, man.
Mexican and African?
You messed up big time, boy.
Blaxican. Blaxican bills.
That's going on like a cord, bro. Blaxican bills.
Alright guys, so today's the next day. We had to stop yesterday because I had to take out number, 2 piston. Because as we were rotating the motor, this piston was like jumping up and down, like it wasn't tight. So I decided to pull it out, and come to find out, the freaking bearing was missing in here. I don't know if I took it out last time I took out when I took out the piston or what, but I'm glad I took it apart because this bearing was missing. So I went ahead and took the piston out and put the bearing in. Luckily I had another set of the standard bearings that I have in, but I couldn't put it back in because I didn't have a ring compressor. So I just went to the store and got a ring compressor. I'm gonna throw this rod in, torque it down, and the bottom end will be done. And then I'll throw the head on real quick, and hopefully we can make some good progress today. All right, so the engine is completely together now. So definitely had these 2 pistons backwards, so the exhaust side was on the intake side, and then the actual rod was flipped the wrong way too. So yeah, that happens when you first put a motor together. I put this motor together like 5 years ago. Had no experience, so I'm going through it now. So luckily, checked everything. Everything is spinning smooth, no clanking, no sounds. So I think we're good and ready to put the top end on. So yeah, let's get to it. So I am once again at a stopping point. I was going to put the head on and realized that I don't have the dowel pins that go in the block. And I want to have those in when I put the engine in. And of course, AutoZone and the parts stores don't have them, so I had to order offline. It'll be here by Thursday. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, make a second part of kind of the whole engine together. But I'm super happy that the bottom end is back together. And yeah, we're just gonna throw the head on, and it should be pretty quick from here. So probably be at a standstill with this until Thursday. So the next video will probably be next weekend, and hopefully everything will be together. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some comments. Let me know what I did wrong, what I missed, what I did good, whatever it is. All right guys, thanks for watching.